Garage mods that just make sense. SinisterC6 edition. Let's get going. Number 1 on our list brings us to a floor winch. So if you find yourself with a vehicle that you can't get back into the garage, just pull it in. This floor winch is securely mounted. It is removable using hitch adapters and has saved me a couple of times when I found myself with a car I could not pull into the garage. Number 2 is retractable power cords. Say goodbye to tangled messes and extension cords that are getting in your way. I've got these wall-mounted retractable extension cords on both ends of the shop. So it doesn't matter what you're working on, you'll get power to yourself, and when you're done, they retract out of the way. Number 3 is obnoxious lighting. Here in the Sinister garage, I've got arrays of lights set up for detailing to minimize shadows. I also have general lighting and task lighting, so all of the work surfaces are illuminated and you can see what you're doing because no project's fun to do in the dark. Mod number 4 is going to be a detail cart. Have all of your towels, your chemicals, vacuum, whatever else you need getting your ride nice and clean in one convenient cart. Working in the driveway, just roll it out to you. No more running back and forward to get your car looking nice. Number 5 is Raystack flooring. Started out as a 1-car garage with this first section here. It's been there since 2008 with no perceivable signs of wear. The floor is durable, chemical resistant, easily installed, and if you do end up damaging it, which is pretty unlikely, it's easily replaced. I'm a fan. What about a Raystack countertop? Well, they don't make that, so you can just get more of your flooring tiles and make a countertop out of it. When I built these workstations, I made them exactly 2 feet wide to accept the tile. So as you drill into it, damage it, just beat on it with your day-to-day use, you can replace a tile. One shocking conclusion is you can't get the job done if you don't have power going to it. I've got myself some hard-mounted power strips, so if you're soldering, performing little projects, you've got a way to get electricity out to you pretty easily. They have built-in breakers for circuit protection and have come in handy a number of times. The next uplifting suggestion, number 7, comes from LiftMaster. That's a Jackshaft opener. Basically removing the original ugly garage door opener that got in the way and gives you a nice, clean, professional look. I've got 2 of them mounted here. They function just like a regular garage door, but they're more quiet and they're out of the way. Number 9 comes in as probably something not as likely to be found in everyone's garage, but it's a lift. And if you can ask Santa for one this year, you will be very happy. This is a drive-on version, 4-post. You can get them in a variety of sizes, so make sure it fits your car. Some of the options include additional jacks to get the vehicle's tires off the lift, allowing you to perform brake jobs, tire changes, anything you think of. It's a nice, secure, safe way to get your car up off the ground. 10 comes in as security. All these nice things you've put in your garage, you'd hate to have someone steal it. I've got individual locks on each door. I also have sensors to tell me if a door is open without my permission. I've got cameras hidden away, which you just can't see yet, but anything you can think of to keep your investment safe would be a great idea. Today's bonus sounds like a good idea. It's a sound system. I found a computer sound system online and just have my phone link up to it with a Bluetooth adapter. Have all the speakers mounted here on the workstation, and that way you can rock out while you're getting your favorite projects done. As another bonus, everyone needs a good chop job. That right? Thanks for watching.